Okay, once we have balls moving, we need to introduce the bird to our code. And we're going to do it by making a new file called bird with a capital B. And that is going to be a new class. We call it public class bird. And if you don't know what classes are, don't worry, you can still follow my tutorial. And if you want to know more about classes, I advise you to visit the web. There are billions of videos on the web. So, what I'm doing here, I'm everything connected to the bird, I'm putting in a separate file, like sort of separating it from the main code. So here we have bird, and what our bird is going to have. Our bird is going to have Y position, which is, let's say, to be at the middle of the screen by default. It's also going to have X position, but as X position is going to be constant, let's make it a constant. Let's put it slightly left to the center of the screen. Then our bird also is going to have Y velocity, which is, let's say, to be 0 in the beginning, and it's also going to have a radius. As we're going to represent our bird by simply drawing a circle, there is going to be a radius. Okay, so that's what our bird is going to have. And now we need to write what our bird is going to do. First of all, our bird is going to show itself. So let's write the function show the bird. Bird is a bird. Okay, so in this function, first of all, we're going to color our bird for it not to be boring. I think we're going to color it in blue. And then next one, we need to draw it by calling the function ellipse. And ellipse takes in, again, 4 variables, but as we specified in the setup function, ellipse mode to be center, first 2 variables are actually going to be positions of the center of the ellipse. So let's put X position, Y position, and then the size of the bird. Okay. And now in order to call this function, we need to specify in the main code that the bird actually exists, and we're doing by saying bird equals new bird. So now, if we want to refer to this bird, we're going to use this identifier. And let's show our bird by saying bird dot and the function name show the bird. And now if we run the code, we should be able to see our bird being in the center of the screen.